Output parameters represent the expected result of a test. They don't contain choices, so they don't affect the size of the generated test suite. Instead, they can be assigned custom values through assignment expressions, essentially computing an output based on combinations of certain input parameters. If no assignment applies to a given combination, the output parameter simply uses its default value. To create an output parameter, click the Add Output Parameter button. Keep in mind that output parameters can't be created in the global panel or inside structures, which is why the assignment option isn't available in those contexts. In this tutorial, we'll create an output parameter called Outcome, representing the result of each battle. Click Add Output Parameter and enter the name. Set the default value to Good. Next, let's create an assignment. Edmund is a skilled fighter, and whenever he joins a battle, the outcome should be awesome. Click Add Assignment, give it a name, and wait a moment for the AI to generate the expression. Once it appears, review the results. Everything looks good, just as expected. Whenever Edmund steps into a fight, the foes don't stand a chance.